Space is vast, but it is also full of danger. Asteroids, remnants from the early solar system, hurtle through space at incredible speeds. Sometimes their paths cross Earth's orbit. This is where our story begins. In December 2024, astronomers discovered a new asteroid. They named it 2024 YR4. Initial calculations were worrying. This asteroid, estimated to be between 40 and 90 meters wide, had a chance of hitting Earth in 2032. It was a small chance, but a chance nonetheless. The scientific community used the Torino scale to assess the risk. This scale ranks the danger of space objects on a scale of 0 to 10. 2024 YR4 was initially given a rating of 3. This meant it posed a close encounter with an above-average chance of impact. The world held its breath. Thankfully, further observations brought good news. Scientists used powerful telescopes to track the asteroid's movement with incredible precision. These observations allowed them to refine their calculations. The new data showed that 2024 YR4 would pass much farther from Earth than initially feared. The discovery of 2024 YR4 triggered a global response. The International Asteroid Warning Network, or ION, swung into action. This UN-mandated network brings together scientists from around the world. Their mission to coordinate the detection and tracking of potentially hazardous asteroids. Space agencies like NASA and ESA joined the effort. They pointed their telescopes towards 2024 YR4, gathering as much data as possible. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering, provided valuable information about the asteroid's size and composition. Every night, scientists analyzed the incoming data, refining the asteroid's trajectory. The risk of impact decreased with each passing day. The Torino scale rating was downgraded from 3 to 1. While 2024 YR4 remained an object of interest, it no longer posed an immediate threat. Although the immediate danger from 2024 YR4 has subsided, the experience served as a wake-up call. It reminded us of the importance of planetary defense, of protecting our planet from cosmic threats. Scientists believe that there are many more asteroids out there, hidden in the darkness of space, that we haven't discovered yet. The response to 2024 YR4 highlighted the importance of continuous monitoring and rapid data collection. It also underlined the need for international cooperation. When it comes to planetary defense, we are all in this together. Furthermore, 2024 YR4 emphasized the need to develop effective mitigation strategies. What would we do if we found an asteroid on a direct collision course with Earth? Scientists are exploring various options such as deflecting the asteroid's path, or even destroying it before it reaches Earth. The story of asteroid 2024 YR4 is a powerful reminder of the vastness and unpredictability of our universe. It is a story that highlights both the potential dangers we face and our ability to confront them through scientific collaboration and human ingenuity. While the immediate threat from 2024 YR4 has receded, it has left us with valuable lessons. We learned about the importance of early detection, international cooperation, and continued investment in space research. We also learned about the importance of clear communication and public engagement. The experience with 2024 YR4 has undoubtedly made us better prepared for future asteroid threats. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we do so with a renewed appreciation for the importance of protecting our pale blue dot, the only home we know.